Let's focus on Paytm. This is the most important stock in terms of price movement today, ladies and gentlemen. The stock at the moment is the most active trading counter on the National Stock Exchange, up 4%, 457.50. 1500 crores worth of transactions have happened in the first half an hour of trade. And remember, this stock opened lower for the fourth successive filter in a row at 395. It was a 10% downtick. A nice block deal of about 69 lakh shares happened at that point of time, and from then on it's moved 14% in the swing up, which is 10% negative. It has recovered 4.5%. It's up now 458.85. We don't know how the day will pan out, but let's just take a fundamental view and a technical view on Paytm for today. Ruchit, coming to you, would you sort of make an estimate of what Paytm's charts are trying to tell you? Is this a buy zone or should one avoid?
So I think no, technically, as I said, no, we need some price action where high top, high bottom structure, at least on the lower time frame charts, is formed, and the kind of no, four lower circuits the stock has formed. So today, definitely some good volumes have been seen. So some pullback move is there. So, but as of now, we would see this as just a pullback move, which could extend towards 485 to 500, but that again would come in as a resistance. So the risk reward issue, frankly, if you ask me to enter at current levels, no, the stop losses are too far from current levels. Even if I see today's low as a stop loss, because it's trading its historical low. So difficult to take any fresh trades. Looking at technical analysis, but certainly I won't advise any fresh buying over here. But if any existing long positions are there, then 485 to 500 would be the zone where initial resistance would be there to watch out.
Okay. Dharmesh, your view on Paytm, how would you really look at this very strong recovery now for 0.8% higher, now 5.5% higher? It's not stopping anywhere, 461 right now. Do you think it will be able to, reclaim those earlier highs that it was enjoying before this news really came out now with this recovery, or is it still far distant?
Sakshi, I really don't know because this kind of an activity is hard to predict. What are the vested interests being playing out and the pullback and everything. So as far as business is concerned, the only turning point for Paytm business was, which is now under question, and that was the reason why the entire upcycle started in Paytm. Other than that, the ESOP cost was continuing, and I mean, contribution profit is something which the concept I never understood. I don't know what is contribution profit. I know plain operating profit and profitability, that is the PAT level, which was not there in the case of Paytm. And with this business now going out of the window, it will be back to square one where they started from. And business, as far as the business cost is concerned, I don't see it returning to profitability as far as your 5 year, 10 year. It's very hard for Paytm to come to that terms, considering the fact that the other mediums like UPI and all is gaining fast traction. So for me, both on compliance count and earlier business count, we were not a bias in Paytm.